two scorpions. Wow, delicious fruit. Whoa, got centipede, my friend. Small centipede. It's so this is young centipede. That's so beautiful. Pleasure snail. Snail without shell. Black millipede or yellow spot millipede. Look at that, groups of pill millipede. Maybe 3 pill millipede, my friend. Look at that, 2 millipedes, giant millipede, my friend. Cute, so cute. Other millipedes. What we got? Look at that. It's like scorpion. Oh yeah, right. Guys, this is very dangerous arthropods. Do not ever catch this. Oh, got scorpions. Black millipede. This is the commercial animal, right? See what? Centipede, the great centipede, and I think there's a tractor spider. Cross centipede right there. Take a look. Very poisonous arthropods, my friend. But this is so fun to me. Oh. catch its head. I got 2 centipedes. Take a look. See, this is a trapdoor spider nest. You can see it. I call it trapdoor spider. There we go. Shit. Put me a bit. Got something for you, my friend. Flatworms. Oh, it's a little bit wet. And that is a great animal too. And see this? It is a snail without shell. Cute animals too. There is the frog. I might again. Oh, no way. No way. Oh, you think okay. Look, my friend, this is the most cute frog that live in my garden. Look. Cute frogs, so cute. Anyway, if you like my activities, you can support me by click the subscribe button, my friend. Look, this is young huntsman spider, and that is flatworms. It is a flatworms. I also found other snail. I met something. We got other pilgrim millipedes, my friend. There are 4 pilgrim millipedes. Cute. You spot millipedes. can see this. Keep it clean. Wow, a jumbo snail without shell. Wow. One hungry. See that? It's a huge scorpions. It's very poisonous animal. I warn you, my friend, do not ever catch this. Got 2 scorpions and numbers of millipedes. Millipedes. See. Lot of millipedes. Another prawn beetle. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to press the subscribe button.